In today's video, I'm going to teach you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide or unhide sheets in Google Sheets on your desktop, helping you keep your workspace organized and clean. First, open your Google Sheet in a desktop browser. You'll see the sheet tabs along the bottom. These are the different pages inside your spreadsheet. Hiding a sheet is useful when you want to focus on a summary or dashboard, or when you have supporting data that doesn't need to be front and center. It doesn't delete anything, and formulas that reference the hidden sheet will continue to work. When you're ready to hide a sheet, move to the tab you want to tuck away at the bottom of the window. Right-click that tab. On a trackpad or Mac, you can also Control-click to get the same menu. In the menu that appears, choose Hide Sheet. The tab disappears from the row, and your workspace looks cleaner instantly. If you don't see the option, make sure you're not trying to hide the only visible sheet. Google Sheets requires at least one sheet to remain visible. To bring a sheet back, go to the top menu bar and click View. This is where Google Sheets keeps display-related options. Hover your mouse over Hidden Sheets. If there are sheets currently hidden, you'll see a list appear. If you don't see any options there, that simply means nothing is hidden right now. From the list, click the name of the sheet you want to unhide. As soon as you select it, the tab reappears at the bottom, and you can click into it like normal. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Hiding is a visual change only, not a security feature. Anyone with access to the file and permission to view sheets can unhide them, so avoid relying on hiding for sensitive information. If multiple people are working in the file, it can help to name your sheets clearly before hiding them, so they're easy to identify later in the Hidden Sheets list. You can also color-code tabs and keep a simple index sheet that links to the most important pages. Hide the rest to reduce clutter. And if you prefer menus over right-clicking, you can open a tab's small drop-down arrow to access the same Hide Sheet command. That's it. Open your sheet, right-click a tab, and choose Hide Sheet, then use View and Hidden Sheets to bring it back when you need it. With just these actions, you can keep your Google Sheets neat, focused, and easier to navigate.